Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the Hauga 3-drawer chest from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a drill, a hammer, a 5/16 inch drill bit, and a pencil. You can also use a Phillips or posi drive bit to speed up the assembly process. Before you start assembling, I would also recommend you keeping all the bits and pieces in their intended bags to minimize confusion. So the first step is to put these two panels into this orientation. Make sure that these corners are facing inwards and are in this position. Also grab the CL and CR drawer slides and 18 of these small screws from bag 1. Now for this panel, place the 3 CR drawer slides on like this, then secure each drawer slide with 3 screws. The screws will be going into these holes. Then for the other panel, place the CL drawer slides on like this, then secure each drawer slide with 3 screws. The screws will be going into these holes. Next, from the wall hardware bag, grab 2 brackets, 2 washers, and 2 screws. Also grab the top panel and put it in this orientation. Make sure that these 2 tiny holes are in this position. Then fully secure the brackets into these holes like this. Just make sure that the end of the bracket is flush with the edge of the panel. Now bring in the bottom panel and put it in this orientation. Then connect both panels like this. You first put it in and then press down. When you hear a click, then it's fully secured. Next, connect the top panel. It'll look something like this. Then connect the side panel as shown. Now grab these 2 pieces of wood and put them into this orientation. Also grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then connect both leg pieces as shown. Next, grab 4 scratch guards and hammer them into these 4 spots. Then grab 8 of these pins and insert them into these 8 holes. Now grab these 2 back panels and put them into this orientation. Then place this panel onto the pins like this. Now do the same thing with the other back panel. Next, grab two of the larger caps and pins. So first insert both caps like this, and then secure them by inserting the pins. Then grab four of the smaller caps and pins. You'll be inserting them into these four holes. It's going to look something like this. So first insert the cap, then secure it with the pin. Repeat this step for the other three holes. Now lift the chest up like this. Then grab this piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab 3 dowels and insert them into these 3 holes. Make sure you don't use a hammer for this step. Now connect this piece as shown. Next, grab 2 caps and pins. You'll be inserting them in like this. Then put the chest against your intended wall. Now grab this brace and 2 of these small screws, then secure the brace like this. Then grab the wall hardware bag and secure the chest to your wall. I've done these steps already, so I'll leave a link with the timestamp of how to secure these brackets to drywall properly. So now we'll be focusing on assembling the small drawer. Grab this front piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws from bag A and screw them into these 4 holes. Then grab these 2 side drawer pieces and put them into this orientation. Also grab 2 dowels and hammer them into these 2 holes. Now connect both side pieces like this. Next, grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. It's going to look something like this. Then grab the bottom of the drawer and put it in like this. Now grab the back piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab this metal piece and just make sure it's facing inwards and hammer it into the spot like this. Then connect the back piece like this. Next, grab 4 pins and insert them into these 4 holes. Then grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Now flip the drawer over like this and grab the DR and DL drawer slides and 6 of these small screws. Then go to this side of the drawer and secure the DR drawer slide with 3 screws. The 3 screws will be going to these 3 holes. Now repeat the same step for the DL drawer slide. Next, flip the drawer over and grab 2 of these screws and knobs. Then secure each knob with 1 screw. It's going to look something like this. Now let's focus on the big drawer. Grab this front piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Then grab these 2 side drawer pieces and put them into this orientation. Also grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now connect both side pieces as shown. Then grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Next, put the bottom drawer piece in like this. Now grab the back drawer piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab this metal piece and hammer it in as shown. Again, make sure this metal piece is facing inwards. Then connect the back drawer piece like this. Next, grab 4 plastic pins and insert them into these 4 holes. Now grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Then flip the drawer over and grab the DR and DL drawer slides and 6 of these screws. Now go to this side and secure the DR drawer slide using 3 screws. The 3 screws will be going to these 3 holes. Then repeat the same step for the DL drawer slide. Next, flip the drawer over and grab 2 of these screws and knobs. Then secure each knob using 1 screw. It's going to look something like this. Now repeat the same steps regarding the bigger drawer one more time. After assembling all the drawers, put the smaller one in like this. Then for the middle level, put the bigger drawer that has the warning sticker in like this. And then for the last drawer, put it in as shown. Now check that everything opens and closes relatively smoothly, but if you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. So you now have a fully assembled Hauga 3-drawer chest from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.